What'd you find, Wick?
Well, I was looking up under here to see where I need to do a little rust proofing, and you'll see that pin right there.
In there.
That's an actual, it's the actual pin that attaches the trunk latch to, and as you might guess, that should be closer to there. It's not even through the other side. That one's not quite flush, but it does go all the way through. So, yeah, the hinge on this side is just getting ready to come flying on off.
Oh joy.
That'd been kind of cool.
Could at least put on a show.
Yeah.
Still finding stuff.
Yeah. Crazy.
So Wick's blowing out the rocker panel on the GTO and sand. That's the beaches of Mississippi.
That's right. I mean, look at all this sand. I guess it's blasting sand from, I don't know. Well, wait till you see the pile that I'll get up here. I mean, the pile up here was about that deep.
Jesus.
I can't believe these rockers weren't all like rusted out.
Some water hiding in it.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah, there's something big in there.
There's some rocks in there. I just love when people do half-assed work.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a stick. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It keeps coming.
Like this thing must have been full of it.
Now, for the record, for the people that are going to watch this on video, you've been doing this for like 10 minutes before I came over.
Yeah.
With the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, the floor, look at this. You can make a fucking sand angel.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
I've never seen it like that.
It's insane. Oh God, here we go.
Like, and I can see big pieces of stuff like in there.
Yeah, there was a piece of stick a little bit ago.
Yeah.
Then you see like this shit.
Yeah.
It's like paint. Like,
Yeah. Yeah. Not a good quality paint job.
can't wait to get this thing painted, but we've come to the conclusion that unless it's an insurance job, nobody wants to do it.
Nah, it doesn't seem like it.
And the few that want to do it, yeah, they're like a year out. The ones we would want to do it are either a year plus out, or they're so buried that they can't even get to it.
Yeah. I mean, it's crazy. It's still coming out. Look at it.
That's just pure sand.
Yeah. It must be sandblasted.
You should just stand there and just do that until it doesn't do it anymore.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Cause like it's not good for that sand. Yeah.
Wow! I didn't know we were going to the beach today.
Yeah, me neither.
All the way to the end. Wow, there's big pieces. There you go. That's your spot. Just stay there. Oh, you all right?
I slipped out.
Oops. Hate it when that happens. Did you stub it on the taint? We're filthy. Just incredible.
It is. Like, if you told me this, I'd say you're full of shit.
This is why we video stuff.
Like, there's no way.
Like, if I was working on somebody else's car and I said, yeah, I spent an hour and a half blowing your rocker panel, they'd be like,
Why are you blowing my rocker panel?
yeah. They'd be like, well, that's not in your job description.
You see, sometimes you pull out like some of this stuff, and then a whole lot of sand comes out.
Oh, look at that. There's like, wait, before you blow that. There's like a stick. That's a piece of like rusty, flaky shit.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I got a good shot of it. That's a good one. You just hear it rattling around in there.
It's crazy.
This is a 6-minute video so far of you blowing out one rocker panel.
It's nuts.
Oh my God!
Look at all this shit. Look at it.
You're filling your hand.
It's a very uniform sand. There's definitely rust in there. And see the glisten in it? Makes me think it's blasting media.
Yeah, it's glass bead or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because it is very...
There's definitely hectic in there. Wow, surprisingly. Crazy.
Wow. My hand is filling up.
Yeah. It's unbelievable.
Ugh. Ugh.
Holy shit. And you can see it, like even through that little screw hole. Look at all the shit blowing around in there.
Oh, yeah.
I got it in my teeth now.
Me too. Crunchy.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
Like I don't even know how to get it all out of here. I guess I could just keep doing this till it's clean.
You're going to be here for like a week.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Big piece of shit came out. Oh my God. Look at my shirt. Just from standing here.
Yeah. Look at this rock. Oh, it's a stick. I almost feel like I need to drill another hole, but I'm kind of hesitant. Because these, obviously, that's where the clips go.
Like a drain hole?
And there's a drain hole back here.
And there's a little hole here. This probably... There's a stick in this one.
Yeah. Hey, there's a decent size piece.
Oh, wow. Holy shit. Wait, look at this right here.
Yeah. I
Like-
just drilled that other hole in there.
Look at all the pitting and
Yeah.
fuck.
If you guys would drill that hole out even bigger? Maybe?
Look, it's been Like it's been cut and welded. Look at that.
Yeah.
Fuck, dude. I don't know. This is one of those like Pandora's boxes.
Yeah.
You just
You know what I'm gonna do? How about I cut a hole big enough to get the
camera?
Camera in there.
yeah. And
We
then
can
I'll
see what's in there.
and then I'll video your video.
Yeah.
That sounds kind of like a way we're bootlegging or something. What are you doing?
I was gonna see if I could find a focus on it. I have focus. Well, let's do brightness. Success. Well, I don't have any success. I didn't make any change. 38's as much as it goes.
Oh, I saw it. What the? Well, I see like a tree.
Mm-hmm.
Put it in deeper, Wick.
Oh, look, it's getting cleaner in here. There's a bush right there.
I see some sand.
Yeah. It looks amazingly good in there for.
Except you get to the bottom and there's like a beach.
Yeah. I'm shocked there's not been more rust. There's a big piece of something. There's some rust or sand. I guess that's sand and rust. Oh, what's that?
Did you run into something?
Is that a nut? What's that thing? Looks like a nut.
It does look like a net.